Alright, what's going on, guys? Right now I'm gonna show you what I've been working on. I haven't been recording the other side where I've been cutting the quarter panel on the back and installing the front fender. Let me just show you real quick what we got going on. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut the opening for the vent hood. So let me show you what I got going on in the garage. So you can see right here that I put the markings. This is the inside of the vent. This is what the outside line is where I'm gonna be cutting in order to fit the vent in here and adjust it. So I outlined where I'm gonna be cutting. So like I was saying, you can see that I still got these wheels here. It was a little cold. I got up kind of late. I was gonna swap the wheels, see how it looked. But I installed this fender here. Well, it's not installed, it's just sitting in place. But got both fenders on. Got this marked up that I'm about to cut right now. And I gotta clean this up. This is adhesive from the vinyl that I peeled. Some cheap wrap that it had. But anyways, you see the line? See that line? Okay, so that's the line what I need to cut in order for this roof scoop to sit properly like it should. But I got the markings here where I'm gonna make the holes. This one screws in place. It has this screw and then you drill through the roof. I still gotta see if I don't have to drill it. Got that going on. Yesterday I removed the side skirt and cut the quarter panel here. That's cut, that is ready. And that's what I did yesterday. Move this and that. So right now I'm gonna cut this off right here. Mix some resin, same thing here. I put it all inside the inside of that. And this one too, you can see it right here. Solid.
Side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies into fairy dust, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. Don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion, and they say that I am the sick boy. Easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Who went into the narcissism? United under our indifference.
Damn. see the whole thing there. Wow. Let's see if it fits. Yes. Like a glove. I still got some movement to play around with it. Yeah. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna get a carbon fiber piece for here, and then I'm gonna get a radiator shroud here to cover this as much as possible. I see that if it rains, nothing hurts. It won't hurt anything. There's no electrical, there's no nothing except for the fans. But those are waterproof, I think. Yeah, but I'm not gonna be driving this car so much. But yeah, this is it right here. Finally cut that out. I'm still waiting on the front bumper to get here. By the end of this month, should be here. Oh yeah. Yeah, all right. So when I get a real carbon fiber piece, this is not real, this is wrapped with carbon fiber, but see right there, you're gonna be able to see the real piece. I'm still thinking if I should get carbon fiber or should I get, yeah, I might, we'll see. Alrighty guys, today is another day. I'm gonna show you what we got going on with the bug. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cutting today on the fiberglass. So as you saw, the hood vent, it's cut out already. I actually went to Home Depot and looked for the epoxy to put the panels in the rear, the roof scoop. I'll tell you in a minute what happened with the roof scoop, what I want to do with it instead of drilling and bolt it from the bottom. I'm gonna just put epoxy around it and try to get it somehow there because I don't want to cut the roof. I don't want to make holes in the roof, but that's what I'm gonna be doing on the roof scoop. Let me show you what I got here. All right, so as you can see, you're gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna put a mesh, paint it black, a mesh under here, and on the inside I'll probably put something because you can still see some of these. I gotta fix this right here. I don't like that insulation look, so I'll try to get something from the inside, but for now I also brought the sealant to go under here, to do all under here. You see the big old gap right there? I'm gonna do that. I wanted to change the wheels and see how it looks, but there's no need. I'm gonna be doing a lot of sanding, a lot of work to this car this weekend. Hopefully I get a lot done. So I'm gonna be cutting this right now. I'm gonna be cutting this right here. The reason I'm cutting it, I don't know if you've seen the previous videos, I wanted to go higher on the arch. I want to go higher here, so I had to cut it because when I install it on the car, it looks like this stock height for it. So I'm gonna mark this one and cut it right now. I got the roof scoop all marked also. I'm gonna cut here. This is what I was telling you. It has this. They installed this very nicely to drill onto the roof. The outside is amazing. It's amazing. It's finished, smooth. This is ready, man. This is ready. But look at that thing. Let me see. Look at that. Look at this right here. Man, it already looks great. As you saw, I'm glad I put resin. I cut through here and you can see the resin where it's sealed up. On this one, it only did it on top here, but you can still see in the middle here. I'm gonna have to just fill that up right there. But yeah, let me cut. Alrighty guys, just finished cutting these panels. Okay guys, I didn't show you, but I cut about 3/4 of an inch from this thing, from the roof scoop, brought it a little lower because it was too high. It's gonna sit just like that. You can see I gotta trim one of the bolts a little bit. And this right here, all these things you see right here, I gotta clean it up. This is like adhesive thing that's here, so I gotta clean this off. I think I like it right there. It's not too high. I think it's perfect. Went to Home Depot and I'm gonna cover this thing. I got this gutter mesh. You can see it right here. That's what I'm gonna be putting in here. Okay, so I shaved the roof scoop a little more to make it fit good. But that's it. I like it right there. It's not way too high. It's perfect. It almost comes down to an inch right here in the back. You can see right there. That's perfect. Now I'm gonna put in place the panels on this side because I haven't marked them, so I can start removing some of this paint here where the epoxy is gonna go. I still gotta work under here in a minute. So I don't know if you can see this line. This is where I'm gonna be grinding the paint off. All inside the blue line. But I'm gonna take this wheel off and get this thing ready. I have to remove the back bumper too. I put the camera on the rain because I need to record this epic moment. So this diffuser, I made it. I'm gonna tell you a secret. It's made out of wood and it has over a year that I installed this thing. I made it, designed it myself, and it's still good. But let me remove the bumper. I'll remove all the screws and everything. Epic moment right here. Oh yeah. Ah, hell no. Plugs, boy. I forgot about the plugs on the plates. Let me remove that.